Improve endpoint access control with IP restrictions. Need fine-grained access control of your endpoints? Our partners can now restrict access to the portal based on the user's IP addresses. This is especially helpful to enforce security policies and prevent unauthorized access by limiting backup and restore requests to company-approved IP addresses, such as an Office IP or a particular VPN. To enable IP restrictions in your Cloud Ally account, first create the whitelist of trusted IP addresses. Note that it is strongly recommended to use this feature only if you have a static IP address to prevent users from being locked out. In the Settings panel, click Security and then IP Restrictions. You can add a single IP address with a description, multiple addresses separated by a comma, or you can add a contiguous range of addresses. Once you confirm, IP restrictions will be enabled. You can always come back here to disable IP restrictions later on. You can edit your list of addresses or delete ones that you no longer want on your trusted list. Of course, if you forget to include your own IP address on the trusted list, IP restrictions cannot be enabled. Your Cloud Ally account is now protected from access by users who are not on your list. If a user tries to access your Cloud Ally account from an untrusted IP address, the following error message will appear. Whenever you enable or disable IP restrictions or modify the addresses, Cloud Ally will send you an email notification letting you know what has changed. In this video, you learned about the new layer of security that Cloud Ally has added for administrators to the Partner Portal, IP address restrictions. Thanks for watching.